You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this, yes, of course, Italian fashion designer and brand. If you want to learn more names of famous designers and luxury brand names that too many people get wrong, stay tuned. I'll link to all of them at the end of the video. You're going to learn something there. Italian pronunciation, to make sure you got it right. Gianfranco. Essentially, you could spell it Jan, Gianfranco. Or if you cannot pronounce Italian perfectly, you can say Gianfranco. Now, his last name is as Ferré, or Ferré in English, therefore Gianfranco Ferré, from Italian Gianfranco Ferré. And now you know, was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. More videos here. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.